Hi guys, we're less than 6 hours away from the new year and the 100-day challenge begins. I hope everybody's ready. I know we have lots of people doing this with us and we're excited and we can't wait to see everybody's results. Food prep, we have our first week, we have the menu set, I went grocery shopping and we're ready for this. I hope you are too. Okay, so I went grocery shopping. I'm gonna prep our food for our first week of the new year. And this is the basics of what I needed besides some seasonings and stuff and a few things I have in the fridge. But this is our first week for prep and hopefully it's successful. I am doing keto. Angel's more healthy and less of some of the stuff that I'm gonna have. But we have the chicken, we have butter, we have almonds, peanuts, avocado, can't go wrong with that. Some pepperonis and cheese, eggs, some mozzarella and tomatoes, some cottage cheese, some cream cheese, and then I've been hearing about this, everything but the bagel seasoning to go with some celery and cream cheese. It'll be interesting to try. But yeah, so this is before prepping the food. Just bought it all, try to get it done before the new year, so the new year we can start off good. Okay, we just got these container sets. One's for me, one's for Angel. They're glass because plastic won't last in the house. The kids decide not to wash it and throw it in the trash. So we got glass ones that are easy to wash. They're microwavable. You can use them in the oven, refrigerated, dishwasher. They withstand hot and cold. And there's 9 in each. This is for our prep. I'm getting everything out so I can wash it and get it all ready. 2, 3. They're all different sizes. 4 and there's 5 inside. And we got 6 and 7. There's 1 inside, and 8 and 9. So we've got all these beautiful containers so that we can prep our food for at least 4 days in advance. The covers are plastic, but I guess we can wash them ourselves. And that's it on our containers. Okay guys, you saw my food, you saw my containers. Next is prepping the food, which we'll do tomorrow, but tonight is New Year's Eve, so have a happy New Year.
I know better than to call back. I missed your call, I finally think I'm fine.